Chicken heart masala gravy, tasty offal heart suka fry. Sometimes offal isn't really awful. As tasty as the chicken heart stir fry, this chicken heart's masala is a delicious offal dish with a thick and tasty gravy. It's also full of nutrients and good for health. Plus, perfect as an appetizer or meal, we love it. If you want to skip to the full recipe, it's here on my blog along with many more. So what do you need to make chicken heart masala? Well, chicken hearts of course. You'll also need water, salt, oil, red chili powder, pepper powder, ginger garlic paste and turmeric powder. It won't take too long to cook these spicy hearts. So let's see how we do it. Add oil to a frying pan, and add the hearts to it. Add all the spices at one go and mix together. Add water and cook on a high flame for 5 minutes. Then turn the flame to low and cook for another 10 minutes, and it's ready to eat. Serve chicken masala with rice or thai taps. For the printable recipe, go here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.